In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your account. Let's get started. First, go ahead and click on your profile picture, located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, you'll want to choose the Administration option. Once you're in the Administration area, look for the Billing section and select it. Here in the Billing settings, you'll find the option to close your account. Go ahead and click that button. You'll see a confirmation dialog appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Since this is permanent, you'll need to confirm by clicking the Close Account button. After closing your account, the next step is to permanently delete all your data by clicking the Delete My Account button. Now select the option that says Delete Account Data for Good to move forward with the permanent deletion. You'll need to check the confirmation checkbox to acknowledge that you understand this action is irreversible. Finally, click the Delete Data Anyway button to complete the deletion process. And you're all done! Remember, once this process is complete, all your data, boards, and workspaces are permanently removed and cannot be recovered. That wraps up the account deletion process. If you need to review any of these steps again, feel free to restart the walkthrough.